Okay, so now we'll do the initial setup. Go ahead and click on your quick app and you should see this screen. If you don't, then stop this video and go back to the pairing tutorial. But since we're in the right place right now, go ahead and click on Control Your GoPro. And that'll take you to the main control screen on your phone. And click on that little wrench up at the top. And then we'll get to camera preferences. On camera preferences, let's go ahead and start from the top to the bottom. The first one we care about is quick capture. I like to turn that one off because then you don't accidentally set it into video mode if you turn the camera on by the shutter button. So go ahead and turn that off. The next thing is default mode. Now you want this to say last 360 time lapse. So click on that, you'll get this screen, and go ahead and click that bottom one that says last 360 time lapse. Now back out of that, and the next thing you want to look at is the GPS there down at the bottom, and you want to make sure that's on. That's very important so you get geolocated images. Next on the list is setting date and time. So scroll down, push the date and time, and you'll get this little swirly screen. When you're all finished with that, click Done and you'll head out to the main control screen. And I want you to take a look down here at these little circles. You can see you can either swipe or you can press on that little video and it'll switch it to the video, but that's not where you want. You can see that it says 360 video at the bottom. You want to be on that little timer clock looking thing because that is going to be your time lapse. So make sure you have that selected. Then go ahead and click on the little circle that says 360 time lapse to go to the settings for that. Here you'll see options for interval. 10 seconds is what we usually put on there. It works really well for walking pace or canoeing, kayaking pace. And then you want that format to say time lapse photo. If you click on that, you get the option for photo or video. You want it to be on time lapse photo. And that is it. Now all your initial settings are there. Go ahead and click this circle at the bottom and that will fire it up and you'll know it's going because you'll see this screen right here. Thanks for watching. Happy mapping.